What is this? Hey, Uday, Uday, take it. Nothing is to be kept here. They can take over. Let them put it inside their local. Nothing should be outside. Whatever the area, that area should be covered. देखिए मिस्टेक का त्यांचे जॉब मध्ये और पाहिजे एक नाही हां तुम्ही म्हणाले मुंबईचे तुमचे काम नव्हते अवश्य ते त्यांनी कोण काम करतात त्यांनी काम करून ट्रॅक बंद करून करपायसाठी हे काटूचा कोण तुमचे काटूचा ते काटूचा दुसरे काटूचा त्यांनी ट्रॅक आणि बंद करून ठेवी करपायचे तुमचे काम म्हणजे कोण काम करतात આપણે ધંધો કેરો કે કિરે બગલે હા ये लाकड़ा में ये मार काय लगा ये मार 20 स्टूडेंट साइकिल गिर जाओ 100 किलो का आज तो टेबल बंद के ओके भाई ये कापून बहुत ज्यादा वेस्ट मोठा सेमी एकटा एक करपा दो सेमी साठान बांधपा सेमी करपा दो बारे दोन कोणा त्याला करपा नाही का मला का करपा ते घरावर का दोरा एक नाही तुमचे काम म्हणजे एकदम करपा आपण धंदो केलो केलो and you need special yes maybe 500 you need some you एक तो थोड़ी सा नाम आप करो जैसा problem है so you require the pump pressure pump भी जाता है ये इतने दिन जाते हैं ना लेना होता है ये तो टाइम से सब चेंज होता है हां तुम्ही दारात वर्षामध्ये गेले नावाकडे ऑर्डर मध्ये कारण दोन्ही साईड पूर्ण उडोबा फक्त एनसी नाही पाहिजे आणि चान्स नाही आणि हे दोन काढून पण नाही सगळे सगळे हे म्हणजे साठी हे रिपेअर करतो तो तुमचे कोटेशन आहात ते पार पडले तुमचे कोटेशन त्यांना काम बरें काम जावपाचें ना हांव क्लियर करता पूण हांव कितें सांगता हांव कोणाचेर आनी कोणाचेर घालता न्ही बट कितें हेल्थ डिजायन करतलो डिजायन कांय करपाचें ना रे ऑनेस्ट करपाचें पूण लीड करपाचें दुसरे टायल सारके एंटी स्पीड बी टायल करपाचें हे सगळे रोप बी सगळे काडून आतां तुजे मुन्सिपालिटीचे आपय हें पयलें काडून खाणे आडून त्यांना कबड्डी लांबवपाक ते सगळे हे मी सगळे कदेन आमी दोनी आहा ते डॅमेज ते सगळे कदेन काड आई तो फास्ट करून दिला आमच्या इथे पब्लिक मार्केट हे उंदीर आहे पडलेले हाते उंदीर आहे त्याच्या वडली उंदीर त्यांना पोहतच ना हे तुझे ते दाखव तुझे रूम पडलं मला हे पळय त्या दिसाचे दोनदा हे किती वॉट इज दिस हां फिशाचे सगळे हे जोडता स्टोर करता कोण येऊन जाल्यार स्टोर रूम तांकां अरे दे शुड कम दे शुड टेक दिस थिंग बॅक अगेन या You are not supposed to provide this was the
सर आमची गाडी साडेतीन आहे का सकाळची येता ते सकाळचे किती माल नाही की हांगा दवरता बाद दवरले वाचतो
नाही ना पण त्यांना त्यांचे केन्ना काम काबार जातात त्यांना तुमची गाडी पावूंक जाय
सर आम्हाला 2 टाइम गाडी जाय पडटली इतकी काय ना 1:12 आणि मागीर 12:30
तो हेच कर 2 टायमार
सर 2 टायमार गाडी
2 टायमार केल्यार रिलीम उरतले
हय म्हणजे गाडी ते आमी स्टॉप केली
काय स्टॉप करिना काय दवरपाचें कमिशन होईल येलो all those figures cutting the fish and all living in just land and going. It is the municipality fellows of course they are to clean it. I think it is their duty. They are earning money on that. They should actually collect all their rubbish and keep it at one side. Then municipality should collect it. Is the first time you have come to visit the market? It's been on 7 years. But why they know you can why they know you can market? And how to on a smart citizen under the end camera will tell you because that is being important. एकशे कोटी जर मोडटा जाल्यार हें करपाचें ह्यो पळय टायल्स हें करपाचें आरे हेजो पळय पार्ट बाय पार्ट करूया सगळ्यो एका टायमार जावचें ना हे टायलिंगेची सपोज ही एरिया आहा ही एरिया पयलीं एक घेवया हांव तुका कसले टायल्स घालपाचें हांव हें आतां पुरो जाल्लें ना एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे तुजें लिंब बेज हें पळय लिंब कितले आहा लिंब बेज पळय तुजें So we are coming to I should be very strict as far as this is I just came to inspect the market. You have seen the state of the market. So I think the cleanliness is very important. So we need to start from somewhere, and what better place to start than the market?
So what do you advise the mayor or the city corporation?
My advice to the mayor that to instead of sitting in the office to come and have a round. That is very important. Even commissioner should have a round and see what's happening in the city.
So what do you want them to keep the way? So
Sorry?
What do you want them to clear up or amount of things?
Now as far as the fish market is concerned, that we need to change the time. Now what I said, as far as the quality is GSR is concerned of their it is more, the government has got certain budget or certain cost which the tiles cost. But those tiles if you put now, it is not going to help. Cleanliness is not going to come in there. So we in fact want to enhance the quality of the tiles. While we said that enhancement of the quality of the tiles are concerned, those we will bear the cost of it.
Okay. What about the market over here? You spoke about it.
Now fish market is one. Now here these people are feeling hot and all. I am also feeling hot, you are also feeling hot. I can see the sweat you are going to. So most important, these people need to basically do their business in comfort. So my proposal is to basically have fines in the first place. So at least that comfort, they are in the comfort of and there are so many things to be done here. Still now this is just a start. Car parking is the main issue. The car parking, there are no lights there. The car parking, I just heard that who is taking the car parking, this is someone from Himself. I just don't trust them. Very frankly. Because now I asked him how much they must be getting income. He's saying 1,000 rupees. I am saying even if I and you sit down there, we will make at least 3,000 rupees. So I think if you are free, you know.
The other issue is that leaving apart of this issue, the other thing is we met Chief Minister yesterday.
Yeah.
And regarding with the casino issue, what do you have requested?
Chief Minister said that we will ship the casino. He said it will take some time. But I need to sit with him back again. I want to know the quantum of time what he said. Because the most important is legislation that we got is. He said the policy on your the casino policy is still not in place. So let us just think. I am sure that in this assembly session we will be able to finalize something.
Babush, how can you rank this crypto market and fish market here?
What is that?
At what percentage will you rank this?
Grand now? No, I think it's just zero. It's nothing. I don't see anything else.
What about the cleanliness and
Just give me a time. Just give me 1 month's time. We'll meet back again after 1 month's time. And then you see the face of the man.